16 gig RAM, 2 terabyte M.2 SSD, SSD adapter, screwdriver. I use a guitar pick. Avoid using that. So insert your adapter, install your cloning software, and open the software, and follow the prompts to clone your Windows system to the new SSD. Mine only took 4 hours to complete. Once cloning is done, shut down your laptop completely and carefully open the back panel. Gently clean the fan using a soft brush and a vacuum cleaner. Disconnect the battery. Locate the RAM slot and carefully insert the new RAM. Locate the existing SSD and remove it from its housing. Gently insert the new M.2 SSD and secure it using the screw. Connect the battery. So I'm keeping my old SSD as a backup storage. Replace the back panel and secure it with screws. So power on and ensure it boots up properly. So check the system properties to confirm that the new RAM and SSD are recognized.